Hi everyone, Erika here, jumping at you from inside the newsletter to address you directly and look at you and say thank you so much to everybody who has come on a walking tour, who's come on a retreat. Even if you just open the newsletter, it makes me so happy. Thank you. And also, I hope 2020 is a year where you get to take action, where you get to do things that you've been yearning and wanting to do, whether you want to write some poems or songs, or whether you want to learn guitar, or whether you want to move jobs or move countries or move partners or have babies, or whatever it is that you are yearning to do, that you're really kind of called to do. I hope you get to do it, and just go for it. Just go for it. Don't worry about making mistakes. Don't worry about falling flat on your face. Don't worry about any of that. Just go for it. So I hope 2020 is a year that brings you lots of joy, lots of adventure, and lots of opportunities to express your unique, special, wonderful, beautiful self. Happy New Year.